Hello friends, let's look at word problem involving a circle. Word problems on a circle. So look at the covered. So all these are few selected word problems on circle. And let me point it here that word problems could be a reverse working. So let's do the solution. We're going to spread our solutions on our screen. So number one, so that a circular wheel has a radius. Has a circular wheel has an area of 154 centimeter. What is the radius? So do not forget that the area is equal to pi r square. So meaning our area has been given, that is 154 is equal to 22/7 times radius square, which is what we are looking for. So we are looking for the radius. So that means we put this together and we'll cross multiply. We use the knowledge of algebra. So this will be over 1, and we give this over 1, we multiply this and this, that becomes 22 pi r square, 22 radius square. So that will be 154/1 times 22 radius square over 7 equals 22 radius square over 7. So at this point we cross multiply. So that becomes 22 radius square is equal to 154 times 7. So at this stage it will be so that becomes 22 radius square is equal to 78. So at this stage we have our radius, we divide both sides by 22. So that becomes radius square will be equal to 178 divided by 22. So when we divide this, 22 here 1, 22 here 49. So meaning our radius square is equal to 49. At this stage we take square root of both sides. So square root remove square. So taking square root of both sides, square root. So that becomes square cancel square root. So our radius will be equal to 7. So for number 1, our radius is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. So now for number 2. For number 2, let's do the solution here. Circumference, the diameter is given, so that means we're going to use pi d. So we're just looking for the circumference. I think that's straightforward and very easy to do. So that will be 22/7 times 21/1. Here 1, here 3. So that means the answer is 66 centimeters since it is circumference. So now the third example, the third question, which is number 3. 10 laps. First, let's find the circumference of that wheel. So the circumference of the wheel is what we really need. That is the wheel. If the wheel goes one lap like this, a lap, what is the distance it will cover for one lap? Then distance it will cover for one lap times 15 will give us the distance it's going to cover for 15 laps. So that's the logic. We have a radius there, so that means we apply our 2 pi r. So that will be 22 times 22/7 times our radius, which is 14. So we can give this over 1, denominator 1 here 2. So that becomes 88 centimeter. So that means a lap is 88 centimeters. So 15 laps. For 15 laps, that will be a lap times 15. That's 88 times 15. So 88 times 15, that will be 1,000 1320 centimeters. So meaning that 15 laps will make 1320 centimeters. So it is quite easy. You can send in more word problems. I'll comment in the comment section below if you have any questions you would like us to make a video of, and or any aspect of cycle you think we should explain in this class. Thank you.